Not a bad view, is it, guys? Hello guys, so I'm Simon of Travel Agent Hanoi and I'm now in Ninh Binh for a couple of nights. Reason being, I'm doing the marathon walk for 42 kilometers tomorrow for Blue Dragon Children's Foundation. Now I just thought I'd do a little quick video while I'm here to show you the homestay that I'm staying in. It's just quite a basic place. We've got a few places down there and down here as well, but I'll show you my room for the night, the next couple of nights. It's just a simple double room. It's actually got, wait for the squeaking door, it's got tea and coffee, kettle, and it's got a little mini bar, but there's nothing in there, it's just a fridge. It's got a quite a decent sized bed. It's pretty soft, but it's it goes down quite low, so I don't know how comfy it will be. This is the bathroom. It's all laden out with bamboo, and neat little thing going through the window here. This is how close you are to the limestones. Pretty cool, huh? So that is my mountain view through the bathroom. It did say mountain view for the bedroom, but okay, I'll live with that, I don't mind. So what I'll do is I'll lock up here and I'll show you around the place. So this place was pretty cheap. It was a double room, so breakfast included for 2 people, and it was about 300 per night, something like that. Let's go and have a wander. There's plenty of foreigners about. I've seen at least 3 already. There's plenty of people coming to Ninh Binh. I mean, it is a wonderful place to be. There's the little garden area. I was asked to upgrade for a few quid for this view rather than the view I've got, but I thought this was good. I thought what I had was good enough anyway. You got your typical banana trees. There's nothing much on them, like. And you got your even got your Instagram spots here. You'll see this in Ninh Binh. All these hearts everywhere. One person's picked it out and decided to go for it. Here's a nice little area here. We've got a hammock, a concrete chair, bench, and table. It's all very nice. We've got other rooms there. Those are the garden view rooms, and mine's just up there. So there's plenty of rooms. I mean, I'm in number 3, and that's 1, 2, 3 there, and I think there's 4, 5, 6 on there, and that's up to 12 there, and there's 3 or so over here. So there's plenty of rooms. Nice little gardens. So let's go and have a look out the front. That's the main event, really. I'm going to see what it's like lit up later on. There seems to have a lot of lighting all dotted around here. So this is the breakfast area. You'll have breakfast here in the morning, and if you want lunch or dinner, you can enjoy that here as well. Just pop through here. This is the front. Hello. So I'm at the Binh Homestay. Hello there. That's quite nice, isn't it? It's a nice entrance. I actually missed the sign. I went flying through. But this is actually the area out the front. It's not bad. A little bit of a lake, and also I'm here on my bike. I drove from my home. It's only about 30-40 minutes away, but as you can agree, guys, it's quite a location, isn't it? 300,000 a night. What's that, £10? Tenner? Nothing, is it? And that's like that could be for 2 of you as well, with breakfast. And breakfast, guys, if you're staying in homestays in Ninh Binh, do not expect full buffet breakfasts and slap up meals and things like that. These are different rooms here. These will be a bit more pricier than 300,000. And there's a lotus pond here. All the leaves are pretty dead, no flowers. Now then, we stayed a few days just over this hill here. I think we actually stayed in the one for family when we came with the family, where I lost my drone and my GoPro in the same day. Awesome. So we're not far from there, just over one of those hills. That's not a bad view, is it, guys? But guys, do stay tuned, and if you haven't already donated, please do donate, because it's a well worthwhile charity for the children of Vietnam and for the trafficked women and girls that get kidnapped from rural villages in the far northern regions of like Sapa and Lao Cai and things like that, and get taken across the border into China to be slaves, wives, or prostitutes. So it's see, there's got a lot of goats around Ninh Binh. You'll notice that in the restaurants. These guys are pretty much on every menu. Look at that, it's awesome. Goats in the foreground, lime casts in the background. Loving it, loving it. It's looking a bit rough and ready around this area. He's probably developing it somehow, but there are other sort of buildings in this area, and you can see that the views are just unbelievable. More hearts for Instagram. Awesome. So basically there's also a pool. I might be having a dive in there after my walk tomorrow. That's going to be a nice refreshing dip. As I say, guys, there are plenty of rooms at this place, and you can see there's actually some down here. I think they may be dorms. Look like there's more beds in there than normal rooms. So that's the pool. Doesn't look terribly clean, but you get what you pay for, don't you? For the view. Awesome. Okay guys, hopefully you'll join me tomorrow, and if I can't live stream, guys, I'll just video some parts. Auf Wiedersehen, pet.